Every bag of cement begins with raw material movement. In tough cement plant operations, movement demands power, traction, and reliability. That's where the Shantui DH17B3 comes in, supporting limestone handling, haul routes, stockyards, and site clearing. Built for rough terrain and continuous duty, it delivers consistent performance where work never stops. By keeping material moving and work zones ready, it helps improve productivity and reduce downtime. Because when material moves smoothly, cement operations move efficiently. Shantui DH17B3, from limestone to cement, built for the toughest jobs.